You're so cute. Look at that camera. Where you go? Hey, Maisie. Where are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? So we called them Eenie, Meenie, Miny and Mo. This is Eenie. This one is Minnie. This one is Meenie. And then the one over here, I don't know what they're doing. That one's Mo. And that's the one I want to keep because she's so cute. Eenie is the only boy and he's completely black, aren't you, Ian? Go and show them. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you? They're 3 weeks old. Aren't they so cute? They just started walking and Eenie started eating proper food yesterday. But he's not very good at walking. In fact, he's really bad. Look. He's awful. Where are you, Ian? Show them you're walking. Go on, try. Try. No. It normally just falls on his face. Don't you, Ian? See? Oh.